Hi guys, welcome back. Alright, so today I'm going to show you crate mailer number 3 from Crate Finds. And then afterwards I'm going to show you other possibilities that you guys can get in your Crate Finds. So this is your standard mailer. You do not pay for the items inside, you just pay for shipping. I have every, like all the information, including the group and everything, down below in my description. So check it out if you haven't checked it out before. So let's get started with this. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pull everything out. And first I'm going to show you this absolutely adorable sponge. It's for makeup. Isn't that amazing? And it's so squishy. So it's a silicone sponge. I can't wait to use it with my makeup. And then I'm going to show you this next, which is glitter. Take it out of the bag. So this is a very, very pretty loose glitter that you can use on your lips or your body, your eyes. So as you can see here, it's very loose. I'm not going to tip it because it is very full, but I have some on my fingers here. Let me push this down. Excuse my dog barking. But as you can see, it's gorgeous glitter. And then I'll put this aside. This is one of the eyeshadows, and I'm going to take this out. It is a gorgeous purple. And I'm going to go ahead and do a swatch. But I wanted to let you know that I will be doing looks with these soon after this video is up. So this is the color itself, and it's in a pan, and it's super creamy and just, it's gorgeous. I cannot wait to play around with this. So there's the purple. Let me see if I can get it a little bit darker. There we go. You can also see it on my finger. It's gorgeous. Love it. Purple's one of my favorite colors, so I cannot wait to play around with this. And then I'm going to show you a gloss lip topper. And this is also in a purple. It's like iridescent. Take it out of there. Okay, so this is the packaging. And now I'm going to go ahead and swab this. This will also be part of my looks coming up. Well, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm in love. So that's it for crate number 3, not 4. Crate number 4 will be February's crate. This is January's. Now I'm going to show you guys what else that you guys could get. The products are randomized, so depending on what you get or what mailer you choose depends on, you know, what you're going to get in your crate. So this is another possibility. So you either have a possibility of the purple sponge or the pink sponge, and they are both wonderful. And then you also have a possibility of this blue shadow this pink magenta looking shadow, which is gorgeous. Or, can't get it. Okay. Or this one, which I know it's kind of off center there, but so this is one of several possibilities, plus of course the one that I swatched. I will be swatching these in my upcoming video, so watch for that, as well as swatching these. Now these are another variation that you can get in your Crate Finds mailer. Like I said, they are randomized. So I swatched the purple for you. These ones will be swatched in my next video. So there is this color, which is wonderful. There's this color. And there's this one. And they are all great. So as I said before, this is more variations. So, like I said, it really depends. It's very, randomized. So sometimes you get all purple, sometimes you don't, sometimes you get mixed colors. But really, everything is going to be worth whatever you get. Like I said, you just pay the shipping and it's worth it. So now, if you want to see some looks that I'm going to create with these, check back within this weekend, and I should have my first of several videos, I think, that'll be coming out with looks with everything that I just showed you here. The lip toppers, and of course these amazing eyeshadows. So, and then I'm gonna try with the glitter too. So I will be using 2 of my daughters for models, and then using myself, so you guys can kind of see what these look like aside from just being swatched, what it looks like on you. I have a bunch of makeup on today, so that's why I just did the unboxing today. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave this here. Check out my description below for the Crate Finds Squad Facebook group, as well as discount if you go onto the Crate Finds store. And then it'll also lead you to where you can go to get these wonderful mailers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the palm rating if you're not subscribed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, love you!